Welcome to our webinar today. We're going to do things a little bit differently. We're going to do more of a panel style webinar. So I'm Rachel Graves with the customer success team here at MLC CAD Systems. And with me, I have our professional services manager, Michael Burks, and our technical solutions manager, Jarred Degeyter. So how are you guys doing this afternoon?
Been pretty good, Rachel. How about you?
Yeah,
Good.
can't complain over here as well.
So what we're going to talk today about is our managed service plans, or MSPs as we like to call them. So we're going to talk about what they are, how they work, and how you can implement them for your team and take a more proactive approach to achieving your goals. So with that, I want to paint a little bit of a picture of what an MSP would look like. So Michael, can you tell us a story about a customer, maybe a recent story about what an MSP looks like?
Yeah, absolutely. So to start with, there's many reasons why a customer might be interested in an MSP, but I'll focus on maybe a couple of scenarios that are recent that probably most everybody can relate to. So the first one I'm thinking about, they've had SOLIDWORKS and PDM for decades now. They've grown in their usage over the years. They've had full-time administrators who maintain both SOLIDWORKS and PDM. They've lost administrators. They've let users be their administrators, right? So they've worked over the years to kind of get to where they are now. However, as of recent, they had an admin who left their role, and so now they have a couple of engineers who are really filling that spot. So they're sharing their responsibility. Well, they approached us about a couple of different projects, one being an upgrade. So most of our customers ask us to upgrade their PDM environment. The other thing was for some administrative tasks. They were looking to modify and tweak some workflows. So during that conversation, we started discussing an MSP to find out that, hey, the majority of what we cover in an MSP would benefit these guys. So part of an MSP is PDM services, it's PDM administration. So it allowed us to take on the role of their SOLIDWORKS and PDM administrator so that their day-to-day engineers could focus on engineering. That they didn't have to worry about, hey, I got to go make this admin change so that I can get my job done. They didn't have to worry about that. They can submit a ticket to us and we'll take care of that for them. Same thing with their SOLIDWORKS. We got them squared away on some SOLIDWORKS templates, making sure that everybody was using the same thing. Their drawings are now consistent. Everything looks nice and clean, no matter who does it. So that's just a couple of the things that we do as part of an MSP. The director of engineering at this company has told me, he said, look, we're probably losing 25% of our engineering time by doing these mundane tasks. And so the fact that we've picked those up now has really given his team more flexibility to get done what they wanted to get done during a day.